We're at the Rainbow Theater and we're coming to watch a bunch of short films that the Royal Film Commission is presenting. I'm excited.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait till you see her.
So we just got out of the movie theater. They showed 13 short films from all over the world. There were films from Russia, Canada, Bangladesh, Iraq, Jordan, pretty much everywhere. Pretty heavy issues actually. Immigration, migration, bullying, a whole bunch of really heavy things. And honestly, it was really good. I also found out that the films were mainly made by youth. So there were people as young as like 13 making these films, which is pretty incredible. Now we're walking around Rainbow Street and I think I found pretty much the coolest little alley of Rainbow Street I've ever seen. I've never seen this before. It's probably, I haven't been down here in a while, but this is cool. I mean, look at this. Just go on a little tour of the street. It was a really exciting find in Jordan. The street art in Amman is just ridiculously good. Now we're gonna go try to find a cafe and sit down and have some coffee or tea or whatever. Well, that was a surprisingly chill cafe experience. I don't know if it's because it's a Wednesday evening and just no one's out, but that was nice. Oh, a cat. Bye-bye. That's definitely not the only Friends cafe I've seen in this country. There's at least 2 others. And there's an absurd amount of burger places in this country. I don't know why people here love burgers so much. I don't know. We're gonna grab a cab and head home now. Successfully fun outing. I had a great time. I got 2 more notebooks because I have an addiction. I have a problem with notebooks. I like to journal, guys, and I go through journals about 1 a month. This is my current journal and I'm about halfway done with it. So I needed to get a couple more from my favorite place to get journals, which is Joe Bedu, because they make these super awesome, super thin but durable journals. And I haven't been able to find their old designs because they have just superheroes now. But the cafe that we went to had some of their old designs and I'm super stoked about them. This one right here has an owl. And if you look super closely at the eyeballs, it's like cassette tapes. Look at that. And then this one is just retro vibes all over it. Just totally retro vibes. I mean, how many kids had this thing here? That little flute player. Oh, that was the best. And this guy right here. Oh man. This is fantastic. So I'm really excited about those. For dinner, I'm having baba ganoush, which actually my dad and I made yesterday. He taught me how to make it. This one is made out of zucchini, which I didn't even know you could do because I only thought that you did eggplant, but we also made an eggplant one. And it's super delicious. We added some pomegranate and some jalapeno to give it a kick. Thanks for coming along this evening and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.